Hi there, Love to Stamp group. This is Patty Bennett with PattyStamps.com, and I am your fearless leader of the Love to Stamp group. I just wanted to give you a couple of tips for using Facebook and our group. Well, specifically for using our group. So when you go to our Love to Stamp group, you're going to see this header here, and this is on a computer, by the way. If you're doing this on a phone or a tablet, it might look a little different. But one tip I have for you is if you're looking for something and you're maybe a little frustrated about any of it, be sure to go check on your computer, because that's going to give you sort of the full range of things that you can find and all the features, I guess. So anyway, when you're on your computer and you go to our Love to Stamp group, Facebook group, you'll see this header up here and you'll see my name and my email. I know a lot of you ask, what's your email? And it's always there right in the header, so that's something that you can always look for. Over here on the left, I just want to call your attention to this. So there are several tabs over here on the left, and announcements is the area. It used to be called pinned posts, but if you click on announcements, that is where I always have the current prize patrol, which we're in August right now, so here's the prize patrol, and then I've got an extra prize patrol for you through September 15th, so that one is here as well. But if you go back to discussion, then you'll see this is where everybody's posts show up. Also on the left side, you'll be able to look at the members if you want to. You can click on events, which right now we have a holiday stamp and bingo event hosted by Kirsten, and then we also have our Love to Stamp group meeting that includes bingo, which is hosted by Karen, and you can see the dates and you can click on that to see more information or to say that you're going. If you click on videos, you're going to see all of the videos that anyone in our group has done as a Facebook Live here on our group, and these are all private. This is a very safe place for you to go and post a video. Of course, if you watch it, you know that it's just us, because this is our private group. Photos, this is kind of fun. If you're looking for something and you're thinking, oh gosh, I know somebody just posted that really cute card with the new Christmas kit or whatever, and you can just click on photos and scroll back and then, oh, here they are. Here's those 4 cards with the Christmas kit. But it's a really fast way to find something. And then if you wanted to see what was posted about it, all you do is click on that and it will go to the post that was posted when that person uploaded the photo. So that is just a super easy way to find things as well. If you click on files, you'll find every file that has been uploaded. This is where you will find the current Random Act of Kindness address list, so you can just look for the one at the top. If you scroll down, of course, just see older ones, which you don't need. I also just uploaded an income and expense form, so you'll see that one at the top, and then anything else that anyone else has uploaded is there. So those are basically the tabs that you'll want to go look at while you're in our group. And it's the same for any group that you are on. So if you have your own group or you belong to a different group, you're going to find those tabs over on the left. Let's see. So just a couple of things that I wanted to point out is when you're scrolling through and you see a project that you like, be sure to click the like button. Of course, sometimes you can do the love or the wow or whatever. Sometimes if I'm on my phone, it's a little harder to do that and it just ends up being a like instead of a love. But nonetheless, I love and like all of your projects. And then you'll also want to leave some comments once in a while, because that just lets everybody know that you that you appreciate what they're posting. It takes time to create projects and post and type and share information, and so you will want to always leave comments when you have a minute, and of course share and like. So if you are ever looking for something that you you just can't find it in the group, you can always go over here in the search bar. And for instance, what if I just type in bingo? And we will find the posts that I was just mentioning about the 2 events that Kirsten and Karen are hosting about bingo. And if you want to find out more, you just click on it and it opens up and it shows you more information. So that's always really kind of helpful if you know that you saw something and you just can't figure out, where was it? Or I know I saw something with the varied vases or whatever it is, you can type it in that search box right there. And then you can just go back to the group to resume, just viewing all of the posts. So I hope you found that overview helpful, and I hope that you are visiting us often and that you are enjoying all of the posts and the prize patrols and the videos and the tips and the reminders. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment so that I can help you. Thanks, and I'm so happy that you are a part of our amazing team. Talk to you soon.